So guys, you may wonder how our crushers and screens produce. Today we'll have a quick tour to our factory. Let's head over to the structural parts factory to see how it starts here. In daily basis, this facility is able to make 40 tons. What does that mean? That is to see all the structural parts for 2 units of crusher are completed in one day. So the beginning of our adventure starts here, loading. The laser cutting and blanking prepares raw material into sheet metal in specific shapes. Every day, you can see 40 tons of sheet metal coming out from here. Then the work pieces are delivered into the second process. Let's move over to see how everything happens here. The bending machine with up to 700 tons of pressure value help the sheet metal grow their different characteristics. The automated bending system guarantees the consistency, quality, and accuracy. With different specifications, some will develop into stairs, some into delivery belt or frame or hopper. You cannot still recognize them until the welding process. This is where the pieces marry into structural components. The inspection of welding porosity, crack, and polish and shaping is conducted to ensure quality and strength. Now, this area right here is where we do the sandblasting. This is how they look after sandblasting. Streams of steel abrasives are propelled at high speed. In this way, smooth surface with fewer physical imperfection and flaws are created. Painting will be the final step in this facility. After painting, auto drying, and polish, we got the structural components ready for the assembly. Now, where we stand is our assembly factory. These are the walls of the components and also the areas of the key parts. You can see it as an interior warehouse. So more than a place storing parts, it is also an extension to the factory to reduce lead time, to add flexibility, and also lower inventory. As you can see, we introduced first-class quality parts like Strickland tracks, Schneider Electrics, Dongfeng Cummins, and Scania engine, Roadstar and Hutchinson anti-vibration mountains. Now let's go to the most interesting part to have a look, where the crusher assembled and tested here. The technology progress on crusher never stops. Let me name one or two. Speaking of Joe, the operator will love it. The new function, automatic discharge opening adjustment. So in this way, the operator needs no longer go underneath the equipment. Instead, just a few clicks on the touch panel to change the setting. We have even more. Thanks to the smart control system, the optimal material flow has been realized, and the reversible running is designed to avoid blockage. Final assembly goes from here. Parts marry into final products. The assembled crusher and screen go to testing and commissioning for the single function, and then as a whole. So you may notice there are manufacturing status of each unit. Actually, it's a result we introduced digital management. How this works? Let's have a slide inside here. First, cloud management system. The technical drawings and standard requirements has been its digital brand. So the whole production procedures goes under its supervision and ensures everything on track. Wow, it's good news for the manufacturer. Second, remote operation management. Good news for users. Users will benefit and save a lot of time. They just need a cell phone in hand, all the information in there, such as does it work well, how long it works, is there any malfunction, do we need a maintenance? Super convenient. The last, but also very important, the whole process tracking. After the crusher combo already works on site, the sales team and also the after-sales team will always have an eye on it. Help with spare parts change, after-sales service, and maintenance. The R&D team will also get the statistics for the future development. A great positive work cycle from the R&D to the manufacturing and in the end for the users. In the very beginning, we only had products powered by external electricity. We consistently learn from the market, from the users, and gradually, we have diesel-electric hybrid, hydraulic drive, and direct drive products. And as environmental protection and circular economy develops, we also rolled out shredder, processing decoration waste and waste steel. In the crushing and screening field, we spare no effort to go more and more specialized. Our sand-making machine will make a more important role in the coming years. We will keep helping customers with our products expertise, cutting-edge technology, and service commitment from China to the globe. This is a sincere invitation. Welcome to have a visit to our factory. Welcome to KREAT.